Hey, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to wash your waist trainer. Stay tuned. So for this video today, you will need either a sink that you can access with water, or you can have a bucket with lukewarm water, your waist trainer, and some detergent or soap. You can use liquid detergent as well. I just like these little packets because they're super convenient for me. And once you get the water running and warm, just start to fill up. Make sure it's not scalding hot so you can still put your hands into the water. Wait for the water to heat up. I'm able to put my hands into it, it's not too hot. And then you're going to open up your detergent package and kind of let it dissolve into the water. I like to kind of move it around a bit to make sure. So if you're like me and you wear your waist trainer every day, at some point you're going to need to wash it because it is going to get stinky and dirty. Some tips for washing your waist trainer would be to always wash it by hand, because some people say if you put it inside the washing machine, the steel bones throughout the sides will actually start to warp or break. And also same with the dryer. It's made out of 100% cotton and it has a rubber coating, so it won't fit any longer. So once you have your bucket full of water or your sink full of water, you can go ahead and just kind of dunk your waist trainer in and move it around with your hands. You'll be shocked at how black and dirty and gross the water gets. So you may end up having to repeat this step a few times. Washing, making sure you're very thorough with all of the different parts. Some people even like to let it sit and soak for about 25 minutes. Run it through lukewarm water and detergent twice, and then I let it sit for about 20 minutes just to let it soak up and make sure all the soap gets out. So if you want to take a quick peek right now, this is how disgusting my water looks. And it's still coming out brown. So I am going to quickly reset my sink. So once you have your sink filled with lukewarm water, you can go ahead and just put the detergent in. I use the whole little package. And then I just kind of swish the water around to make sure that it's even throughout the whole sink. Then you can just dunk your waist trainer straight back in. Again, I just start to run the water through with my hands. Oops. Making sure I'm getting each part of it, especially the clasps. And the water is starting to get a little brown, but not quite as black. Once you've finished the rinsing process, you can go ahead and drain your sink again. It's okay to twist to rinse. Just make sure that you don't really pull too hard and bend all the steel bones, keeping the shape of your waist trainer. So after that, I just like to rinse out the sink really quickly. And then put on the cold water. And then just throw it through a cold rinse really quickly. Get all that excess soap out. And then again, I just kind of roll it up so that I can squeeze dry it. Again, being so careful with the steel bones, not to lose the shape or any clip. So once you're done rinsing, then you're all done. You just need it to dry. I'd recommend not putting it in the dryer again just because of the material it is made from, cotton. It will shrink it, or the steel bones may end up warped. So then I just throw it over the drying rack for now, and you're all done. And when your waist trainer is completely dry, then you're good to go again. The main thing from today's video that you'll have to take away is that you will need to wash your waist trainer by hand. You will also need to hang it dry instead of putting it into the dryer. You can also dry the waist trainer on a drying rack or a clothesline, or if you have somewhere else in your home that works as a drying space as well, go for it. I recommend washing your waist trainer at least every 2 to 3 days just because of all that bacterial buildup. You won't want that resting on your skin. And just the smell, it can start to really smell. So if you're like me and you sweat quite a bit, then you'll need to wash your waist trainer 2 times a week.